बाएं नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी इससे पहले कि आदित्य जी मुझे कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक मारे, तो भैया बात ऐसी है कि मैं यूट्यूबर हूँ और हम सब यूट्यूबर्स हैं और यहाँ यूट्यूबर्स की पार्टी हो रही है, पार्टी हो रही है, पार्टी हो रही है।
What you see right now in this video is me riding the scooty from St. Paul Street, that is the place where I stay, to Parnell rail station. Passing through the Auckland Domain urban rainforest towards the end.
We are about to go to One Tree Hill for the YouTubers meetup, and I'm catching the train from Parnell metro station. I will get down at Penrose, and from Penrose I'll take a bus. So hi everybody, we are at Penrose metro station, and very soon we'll be going to One Tree Hill, which is a park quite nearby, and we're gonna have a meetup over there. We're gonna meet some new YouTubers out there, and very soon you'll get to know who they are. Hopefully everybody is wearing a mask. Possibly not. So we'll be catching a bus from the left hand side, and from there we will be going to One Tree Hill to meet some YouTubers. It's basically a meetup of Kiwi vloggers at a very amazing location. It's called the One Tree Hill. So you guys would have already seen my One Tree Hill vlog a few weeks ago. I have already shown you some pretty rare species out there, like the helmeted guinea fowl and many of the others. Some of the names I still don't know. I don't know if the bird is visible. It has got white and black shade. Yeah, it's visible now. Pretty much like a crow. There are two of them roaming around, one here and one there.
The helmeted guinea fowl is native to Africa, especially in the southern stretches of the dry and hot deserts of Sahara in the North African portion of the Middle Eastern region. However, this species of bird has been widely introduced in Europe and Oceanic Pacific countries like Australia and New Zealand.
We have no clue, guys, what this bird is. We are being followed by these birds. Probably they're coming to attack us or shoo us away, but I don't know exactly what they are. It's a beautiful bird though.
This distinctive omnivorous African game bird was first introduced to New Zealand in the 1860s.
Right now these guys are crossing the road. We are just waiting to see them, run or do some action. They're marching in unison. They're chasing each other, they're not chasing us actually. These are basically like road runners chasing each other. Running around. Mostly it's of birds and stuff. So this is like the parking area of the metro station. And right over there, if you see that bus stop, that is the place from where I'm gonna catch the bus for One Tree Hill. Now coming down the bridge. So if you guys can see currently, we are over here. The bus is about to come. So we need to catch the bus number 66, which is coming in 5 minutes from this stop. And it will drop me to a point which is called Stop D Royal Oak, and from here I need to walk for another 28 minutes. That's about it, guys. 28-minute walk. So there are no direct buses to that place. So guys, I was standing on that side of the bus, and after a little bit of inquiry and having to look into the app, it seems like I was standing on the wrong side. I should be catching the bus from this end, from stop number 7627 and not stop number 7624. Let's hope I reach there early, before 7 p.m. So there it is, our bus has finally arrived and we are about to get on top of it. This is bus number 298, which goes from Penrose to One Tree Hill, Green Lane side. So as you can see, guys, we have started from Ellerslie Street near Penrose Metro Station, and currently we are going towards One Tree Hill. So this is going to drop us at 2 Horotutu Road, which is somewhere over here, right? So when the bus drops me here, I'll have to cross the road and get into this green One Tree Hill, and that's basically the monument of One Tree Hill. So the 1.8 kilometers walk that I was showing you, that walk is within the park, not from the roads. Yes, that's it. That's how big this park is, guys. We started off at 6:20 p.m. and hopefully by 6:30 we will be reaching there. And then we start walking. Bah, 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 bah. Look at the black sheep, Baba black sheep, moving around. Bah, bah, bah. So this was the area that I showed you even last time. This has all varieties of sheep, and this is a part of One Tree Hill, the sheep area of One Tree Hill. So I've entered One Tree Hill from the Pollard Campbell Road, and I'm moving forward through this area. So most likely within a few moments I'll be able to reach the Green Lane side. So hey everybody, welcome back to TIYVV TV. Today we are doing a Kiwi YouTubers and vloggers meet out here, and look who's out here, Mr. Adit Puri, Manisha Manmoji ji, and you are?
Swapna.
I see.
Manisha Manmoji.
Yes.
Not Manmoji, because people they tend to write M-A-N. It's M-U-N.
I see. So Adit ji, tell us something like आप अभी क्या करने वाले हैं हमारे साथ? And
so I'm actually making a video.
I see.
वो एक theme based video है, and वो जो video है that is for someone very close to me.
I see.
One of my, I consider him as my family.
I see.
उसके लिए, and I'm recording this video into 3 segments. Since I'm here for 3 days in Auckland, so I'm recording this into 3 segments. आज एक segment shoot हो रहा है जिसमें all the Kiwi YouTubers are here. तो इन लोगों के साथ मैं shoot कर रहा हूँ, and then there is one more segment tomorrow.
I see.
देन देयर इज अनदर सेगमेंट डे आफ्टर टुमारो. तो ये 3 दिन शूट करके 3 या 4 मिनट की ही वीडियो बनेगी.
I see.
तो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट. मैं अभी रिवील नहीं करूँगा वो क्या है एंड किस चीज़ पे है. वो थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आपको लग गया होगा, बट जिस दिन वो आएगी तो यूल गेट टू नो, तब आप बता सकते.
हाँ, उसके लिए you need to follow Adi's vlogs to know more. And anything you want to say, Miss Manisha?
Yeah, so I've got channel for Bollywood movie reviews, travel vlogs, and weekend vlogs basically. So whatever fun I'm having with my friends, I just record that, and I believe we all learn from each other. Even if it's small daily routine, we pick up from each other, we get inspired
sure,
from
sure.
each other's life. So I just share that. And people who are my family, especially when they are in India, they get to see what I'm doing in New Zealand. So they feel connected, and all my, YouTube family, MM tribe. So
yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Manisha Manmoji tribe. So don't forget to join my tribe.
Yeah. And you can introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Swapna and my channel is Swap to Green, and I talk about plants, I talk about gardening, I talk about sustainable living,
I see.
and how you can do simple everyday things in your life
Yeah.
to live a sustainable life.
I see.
Yeah.
So, do you have like a great domain knowledge on this topic, or you just learned everything practically?
Practically, I've done a horticulture course as
Oh,
well
I see.
in New Zealand, and I've been a gardener from the age of 7 or 8 years.
Yeah, I see.
When I was 8 years old.
I see.
Yeah.
No, this is a pretty interesting topic actually. I mean, even when I was back in Delhi, I'm from civil engineering background. But when we used to design the offices, everybody looks at what the indoor planting is. Whether the plants can prevent insects, whether they produce the right level of oxygen or not, what kind of sunlight level. So I guess you also might be doing all those things.
I'm doing, and one of my next segments will be indoor
I
planting.
see.
I have a
I
question from Swapna. Swapna, show me your hand. Show me your hand. It's not green. Why they call it gardeners? My fingers are, I'm having green fingers.
Green thumb.
No, people who do gardening here, they always say, I've got green fingers. So that's
I
like
see.
Kiwi slang.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, I see.
so why they call it green?
I don't know what-
I don't see your fingers green.
Because we live in green, maybe.
We have to find out
Yeah,
why
yeah.
this
We'll definitely
proverb
do that.
is like, green fingers.
So to find this out, guys, you need to follow.
Swap to green.
I see.
So she'll be answering my question in
Swap to
in her
green.
next video.
So it goes like माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी के दूर माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी के दूर ओ शिमले नी वसड़ा कसौली वसना शिमले नी वसना कसौली वसना चंबे जाना जरूर चंबे जाना जरूर. I'm not a singer, but
so
जब भी मैं
You
सिंगर
have a
नहीं हूँ,
beautiful
लेकिन
voice
हाँ
too.
गुनगुनाने का काफ़ी शौक है. तो कभी घर की याद आती है, पहाड़ों की याद आती है, हिमाचल की याद आती है, तो मैं ये गाना बहुत गुनगुनाता हूँ. एंड इट मेक्स मी फील कि मैं हिमाचल में ही हूँ. काफ़ी दूर है वहाँ से, 3 साल हो गए गए हुए घर पे. तो दिस सॉन्ग इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट.
Can I have a high five with you, Adit Puri?
आफ्टर मूविंग टू न्यूजीलैंड.
Oh my God.
Because मुझे भी हिमाचल बहुत याद आती है.
We didn't
And
Yeah.
even I felt
And I'm from Delhi, but every summer vacation I used to go there. So even I kind of miss Himachal Pradesh.
We are talking. So here is Swapna.
Hi.
Swap to Green channel.
So what you see out
We have
here,
done a live
we are
2
basically
weeks ago.
hijacking each other's channels out
Swapna,
here.
tell more about who is watching for the first time. Tell us or tell my MM tribe about your channel.
हेलो जी, माय नेम इज अदित पुरी एंड अभी आप मेरे को देख रहे हो सप्तर्षि राइट.
Yeah.
सप्तर्षि के यूट्यूब चैनल पर. सप्तर्षि हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ वन ऑफ माई व्लॉग्स. ये मेरे व्लॉग्स में आए हैं पहले, थोड़ा सा पार्ट, बट आए हैं.
तो भैया बात ऐसी है, माय नेम इज सप्तर्षि मजुमदार. आई एम फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ऑकलैंड, न्यूजीलैंड. चेक करो आज का व्लॉग.
49 days यानी कि 1176 hours, 70,560 minutes and 42,33,600 seconds के बाद finally it's the day of आज़ादी. फर्स्ट टाइम टुडे एंड मिलके बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा एंड इट्स वेरी गुड व्हेन यू मीट लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है एंड या आप इनको ज़रूर लाइक करें, इनका चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होता बट एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर है और जो वीडियो क्रिएटर है उसको बूस्ट मिलता है और उससे क्या होगा, इनका चैनल ग्रो करेगा एंड ये ग्रो करेंगे। तो इट वुड बी रियली ग्रेट अगर आप इनका चैनल लाइक करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो। थैंक यू।
Or my viewers, let me also tell you that Adit ji also makes really amazing vlogs. I mean, I personally like most of the footages he takes, be it the drone shots or whatever. इनका quality of content is really good. So इनका चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब करिए।
थैंक यू। हाँ जी, करना होगा कर लेना, नहीं करना होगा कोई चक्कर नहीं है बट या डू सपोर्ट हिम। इनको आगे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा क्योंकि हमारी आज बात हुई है। एंड वन मोर थिंग मैंने इनको भी नहीं बोली, आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू स्वप्ना, दिस गाय हैज़ गॉट द पावर ऑफ वर्ड्स और ये बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनको ये जिस चीज़ से ब्लेस्ड होते हैं। तो या do check out his YouTube channel and hopefully in the coming years he is gonna grow.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी के दूर, माए नी मेरिए शिमले दी राहें चंबा कितनी के दूर, ओ शिमले नी वसना कसौली वसना, शिमले नी वसना कसौली वसना, चंबे जाना जरूर है, चंबे जाना